The most honest one. Which watermelon is the most beautiful? The princess wants to find out who can grow the biggest and most beautiful watermelon. That person will be the prince. The current tough competitor.
What's going on? I will definitely win.
There's no watermelon bigger than mine.
Organic fruit. Organic fruits are available here. Luigi quickly returns home and plans to grow a watermelon,
Hello. Hello, boss.
including various seeds and fertilizers.
I want to buy the best watermelon seeds.
Thank you. Good luck.
Bye.
Luigi excitedly brings the seeds home. The big and beautiful watermelon seeds are sown into the soil. That's right, water is essential. Luigi is full of hope. The rooster crows, and Luigi hastily runs out to check the watermelon garden. Not a single watermelon.
It can't be.
Oh no, there's no...
Why is that? Hello.
Where's Luigi going?
I don't see any watermelons.
Let me show you this way.
Oh.
Growth hormone for plants? Luigi quickly starts sprinkling the growth hormone on the watermelon, making it grow quickly. To ensure victory,
Yeah.
Luigi continues to sprinkle the growth hormone, making the watermelon grow as fast as lightning. Luigi watermelon surpasses the Mario's in size. The watermelon keeps...
Luigi, did you cheat?
I.
Oh no! The princess is extremely eager and walks away.
Oh, well.
Melon. This time, Luigi will... Honest, right? What is Luigi doing? The watermelon is pulled into a square box.
I will definitely not let Princess down again.
Even though it's night, Luigi...
Huh?
Melon
Maybe.
remains the same.
Watermelon needs more light.
Luigi uses the 4 headphones of the pen. I to provide light for the photosynthesis. Wow, a square watermelon! That's really unique! At the castle, the princess signs sadly. Now it's time to find the princess. Is it Luigi?
This is for the princess.
The robber and the failed heist. A masked character was diligently digging holes. While Mario was still fast asleep, it seems like he has a malicious intention. What is he planning to do with his holes? A sign? Is it real or fake? Hello, there's an order.
I want to order grapes. Deliver them to this address quickly. Okay. Hello there.
Are you here to pick grapes? Wow, well done.
Someone ordered a whole truck of grapes.
The grape garden has various types, with bunches of heavy, juicy grapes. A race is about to happen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that's great. Come on.
Oh, Mario forgot about the delivery? Mario is having too much fun.
Hey, yeah. Come on.
on!
The mysterious man is still anxiously waiting.
Why haven't you delivered the grapes to me yet?
Sorry, I'm coming right away.
There you go.
This is the correct address. The truck enters the crossroad created by that man. It's hard to roll out of the hole. Mario fell into the trough. What is the mysterious man planning to do?
My friend, please help me.
Okay, wait for me.
There you go.
The mysterious man sneaks onto the truck. You want to steal grapes?
What's going on? Robber! Robber! Robber!
It turns out to be a failed heist. The friends together help Mario fix the road. Mario escaped the trap.
Let's go.
The holes, making the road smoother. Let's see if Pop controls the road roller, filling up. See how the vehicles work together. Wow, the road is smooth and clean again.
Hey, what happened?
Be more careful.
A robber tricked me here. Thanks, my friend. I'm back.
Haven't you delivered the grapes to the customer? Whoa, that's dangerous.
I'm really frustrated. It's a trap set by the robber who wanted to steal my grapes.
I'm back too. Nothing could be better.
Do you want to eat grapes and watch TV?
They watch a movie about Rob, a very joyful scene. Enjoy eating grapes together. Water pipe of friendship. Whoa, Mario's world. Which mushroom will Mario choose? Is Mario planning to pick mushrooms? Whoa, does Mario know that eating mushrooms can be poisonous? No.
What's happening to me?
Oh my! Mario turned into a giant. His steps are heavy. Mario can control this giant body. Water pipe. He's thrown away. Be careful with the mushroom. Oops. In the real world,
Oh heavens, what have I done?
the water pipe falls, and the poisonous mushroom. Is something big is about to happen.
Oh, it's over.
A giant water pipe blocks the way. Mario jumps down after it. I wonder how Pop will handle this. Oh,
Who are you? What's going on? Like, unbelievable. This
Mario tells the story to Hop. A shovel? Mario uses a shovel as
My friend, I need your help.
perhaps it can help.
Oh, hello.
Can you help?
Okay, I'll try.
Remove this water pipe.
First time, the water pipe doesn't budge. Again, it shakes a bit. Bye.
Aw, I tried my best. What should we do now?
Where is Pop and Mario?
There's the one thing.
Do you have something that can turn a big pipe into a small one?
Thank you so much.
Cuba has a steep pipe. Agree.
The two return to the water pipe. Mario, don't be clumsy. It's done. All the powder spilled. Surprise yet? Mario has it all gone. But the medicine is...
Do you have more
I
medicine?
only have one box.
Mario, what's going on? Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil here.
very impressive.
Let's go.
Now, let's see how the pencil wheel works. Do they want the water pipe? Yeah, the can has been opened. Here you go, my friend. So, Mario and the magical antenna. Luigi is carrying a TV.
I'm back.
Oh, a TV? That's fantastic.
I just bought a TV. I'm sure you will all love it.
Love it! Great!
There you go. Okay. Just a bit more.
Wow, a movie. Everyone watches the movie attentively, laughing and enjoying. Be about Mario. Suddenly, dark clouds gather. Thunder roars. Oh no! Lightning. The cow seems and strikes the herd of cows. Easy, the candy can
Oh, my new TV.
destroy everything. To ensure safety, everyone quickly runs away. The herd of cows becomes aggressive. Oh, Luigi!
Luigi, what's going on?
Stay calm. Wait for me. I don't know what to do with the cow.
11 feeding free? What is he planning to do? Herd of cows is still dangerous. At Luigi's house, everything is in chaos.
Hey.
Wow, a magic levitating free. Many bundles. secret makes the signal tower more stable and secure. The final step. And it's complete.
Let's continue watching movie.
Wow, vivid sound, clear images. You like it, don't you? The Super Mushroom Battle.
Good morning. Good morning.
Have a good